Okay, so what we're gonna do now is this post is set up, and if you pull on it, you notice it's good over here. We're gonna go ahead and attach a bracket here. We're gonna do an experiment to see how much force and how much weight it takes to rip this post out of the ground. So this post right here is our stainless steel cable railing post. And if you notice, the base plate is angled in such a way where, in theory, the weakest point is gonna be pointing this way. And with that being said, we're gonna see how much weight this can take. We have a 1.5 ton crane scale here. Gonna set it up to measuring the peak force that it'll take to rip this out of the ground. So what we're gonna do is hook this up to the truck that we have over here, our work truck, and we're gonna see how this goes. So we just done our test, and we successfully ripped this out of the ground, and very nicely to say, this actually held up in one complete piece. This did not break in any way. In fact, it snapped our anchors into half over here, and it ripped the nuts out. So this, as an overall system, held exactly what it's meant to do. And if anything, it is the anchor, that is the point of failure over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the byproducts of our test. These were just completely snapped and pulled out of the ground. And the anchors, the nuts, once again, just kind of came out. And you look at the thread over here, the threads were completely gone because this whole system just took it out. And this remained in one solid piece. Let's take a look at how many weight and force we're able to withstand. So on this scale itself, we show 106 kilograms of force that was applied onto here, which is 234 pounds.